Hi. Well, today is the concert of Mumford Sons. I don't know if many people know this band, but it's a very cool band. It's indie, about indie rock, I say, but it's pretty well. It's very early because the concert is in the night, maybe at 8:30 p.m. And well, I'm coming very early. Why? Because I don't have nothing to do today. It's pretty cool. You see the merchandising in this moment, and this very nice shirt. I like it. I don't know the prices, but in this moment it's a little expensive. The more late is more expensive because, well, you know, many people have afraid because the merchandising can no sell, but it's okay. See, Mumford Sons. And I will show you this very nice shirts. Here. I will show you the Sport Palace. In Mexico is the Palacio de los Deportes. Sport Palace is a very cool place, but for a concert. Yeah. Well, this big ball with horns is a Sport Palace. Yeah. And in this moment we come into this place. For you know, we can see Mumford Sons. Yeah. The weather is very bad. I don't know. Some days in Mexico is very hot, but on other days it's too cold. I don't know if maybe more late will be raining, but it's okay. And let me show you the ticket. And this is the ticket. Well, Mumford Sons is a very nice band because it reminds me one person. I don't know if this person can see this video, can watch this video more in the future, but it's okay. It's a very nice girl. Yeah, this is Sport Palace, and maybe in one moment I recorded more videos, but inside in the place. It's very nice. The people just started to coming, and this is the parking site. Well, in Mexico the parking site is a little expensive, yeah. So if you have a car, it's not recommended coming in this kind of concert of events in car, because yeah, it's a little expensive. It's much better if you come in subway. Yeah, the subway or metro in Mexico, it's opened to 12 p.m. So you need to calculate it, your hours. Yeah, if concert ending to maybe 11 p.m., it's a nice hour. But if the concert is coming maybe 11:30 p.m., it's a little risky if you wait to the end of the concert. Yeah, you see, this is my place. You see, I don't have the best place, but well, it's okay. The stage looks very nice, and if you can see, the people just coming. I would say it's very early, so maybe more late, the place down will be full.